So I wanted to get started on some backlog tasks. I have a few of them already in progress that I want to work on. Let's just assign this to myself. But creating a model for shopping cart for products, and then entering some fake data. That's probably what I'm going to get done for today. And yeah, so we start with the model, I guess. And what we are doing with the model, is there a way that I can increase this? No, it's just like that. What we're going to do is we're going to use Django ORM, blah blah blah, create a model named product. So we're creating a model for our products that we are creating for our store, and it's going to have a few fields: ID, name, category, and cost. So here's our project, and right now it's blank; it doesn't have anything in there. So what I need to do is go ahead and start up a Django project. So ls, I guess we'll put it here. Makes sense, right? I don't want the README in there though. So let's see. What am I going to do? I'll keep it in there, whatever. I need to create a virtual environment. Python.venv virtual environment that should create. Oh, make Python make virtual environment. There we go. Now I got a virtual environment going on. I might as well just go ahead and go into that virtual environment. So we're going to do source. What is it? /v plus ls. Yes, .venv. So I'll do source .venv. I think it's been activated. So now we're activated. What else do I need? We can do a pip list to see what we have installed on there. There's nothing on there. So we're going to go ahead and do pip install Django. And that should give us Django. And there was another one I needed for, what was it? 𝚃𝚑𝚎. I need this. 𝚃𝚑𝚎, so we do pip install 𝚃𝚑𝚎. I think it was binary, the one I needed. Cool, so that's installed. So now we can do pip list and see everything that we have installed here. I think that's pretty much it. Postgres is already installed on my computer. See, create a model, blah blah blah. Let's create a database though, and this database will be called, I don't know, store database, I guess. eCommerce. What am I gonna call this? I'll call it my store. So I'll do, I think it's create db my store db my store. Let's call it my store. And that actually works. So we should have the my store database. And let's see. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and get some Django stuff started so we can go ahead with the models. So let's make sure I'm in the right directory. I'm going to go ahead and do a Django admin creates, what is it? Start app, create app or something like that? Start app. No, start project first. So we need to do start project, give it a name. I'm going to call it my eCommerce. This is 2 C's? No, eCommerce project. And now with there, we should have, oh, actually, yeah, that should be cool. My eCommerce project. Here's project. And so now I'm here, I'm going to also create the app for it. Just want to make sure, so. Yeah, so we're going to need an app in order to create these models. I'm just trying to figure out what name I should give the app. Should it be products? And then I'm going to create another app called shopping cart. So I think I'm going to do it that way. Yeah, go ahead and do different apps. So this app will be called products. So I'll do Django admin start app. I'm going to call products app. So now inside of my commerce product, oh yeah, we have products app here. We actually don't, why this? I'm going to move this folder, move that there. And it won't let me. Okay, just keep it like that. That folder structure is weird. Maybe if I just delete it and do it again. So now I can delete this project. Cool, and just create this project again. And do the dot. And that way I don't have that weird folder structure. Okay, so now we got our folders. Good on time, my folders set up. Product apps. So I need to let this project know about my product app. And it says I don't have a Python interpreter set up for this. I'll just go ahead and do that real quick. In the settings. And let it know that I am using, so I want to do add interpreter local. This one's existing, and this is where it is. All our dependencies are there, so we're going to apply that. Okay, and what we need to do in settings, I need to let this app know about my products app. So I'll add that right here in installed apps. So we'll do products app. I shouldn't call it products app, but products app. Okay, so now that it knows about that, and while I'm here, I also changed the database to Postgres. That should work, I believe. I hope. And I'm going to change this to, what did I call it? My store, I believe. I think so. I'll see if this works. Okay. that looks okay. Okay, looks okay. So for right now, let's go ahead and run the server, see what's going on so far. So we do Python manage.py, run the server, and Django backend Postgres isn't available database, or couldn't be imported. I'm supposed to put that PostgreSQL, and that did work. And we have 18 unplanned migrations, so we'll go ahead and stop this and do those migrations. So those migrations we're going to do. Let's see. Let me check my camera out real quick. Okay, camera's fine. Just move this over just a little bit. This one maybe? Okay, now we're fine. Put that back over there. Database, we want to do the migration, so we'll do Python, manage.py, we'll do migrate, Azure Cloud database migrations, and now when we run our server, we don't have that issue, and we run it on 8,000. See when we click that, everything looks good to go. Yeah. So another thing I just want, well, let's go ahead and start our models first. That's good. So let's go and set our models and make sure our Postgres and everything is working in there. So for our products app, our models, go there. So I'll create my first model, I believe, views. Yeah. So models is going to be created using classes. So I'll do a class, and this one is a product. So we'll just do product, and this inherits models.model. And some of the fields I say we need were ID. I'll just copy this. And some dot string, 2, 3. Put that in there. Cool. So it says using Django, blah, blah, blah. Create a model named products to store product data. And these are the fields that it needs. So we're going to give it an ID. It's already going to come with an ID, so we don't need a unique ID. We just give it a name though. Give it a name. And that's going to equal models.char field. And we'll make it max length of 200. And why did I do that? Copy this, and we'll give it category next category, and the same thing for the max length of that, and the cost here for the price. Instead of there, we'll do, I think it's a float maybe? Float field? Yes, we have a float field. And does this have any? Does the float field have any attributes? Let's go look at the docs real quick on that. Brave. I'm curious about the Django float field. Let's see what type of constraints or restrictions that it has. Float field options. What are the options I can use on here? Float field. Let's see. Float. Let me say anything. Here's some options. No. If true, Django will store empty values. So we actually don't want. Oh, the default is false. That's good. So we want no to be false on all of those. Blank. If true, the field is allowed to be blank. This field is not allowed to be blank, so that's false. Default. So we don't want a default value. If true, this field is the primary key for the model. Unique, if true, blah blah blah, so unique, a list of validators. So right now we don't need any of the options. We're good with everything that we have set up so far. I think this is just a formatting issue. And that should be it for modeling our product, I believe. Let's just check the requirements again, using Django, blah blah, ID, cost. So let's see. What I want to do to try to test this is to see, let me see, how would I, yes, I can go into the shell, I believe, and create a product. I want to say I can do that as a test. Let's see. So I'll go here. I am still good on time, about 5 more minutes. I'm going to try to test this in the next 5 minutes, and then I'll just create a new video. So I think it's Python manage.py, and we'll do a shell. And in the shell, I should be able to import product, I want to say. So I can do an import, is it import? No, is it from products app? Products app. Import models maybe? Import models. PY. Oh, let me see. Products app. Dot models. PY. Maybe I can import products that way. Product. Oh, that didn't work. No module is called that. Okay, so from. Oh, that was actually a module. Okay, so from there, import products. And now I have a product. Maybe I can do P1. This product is equal to product. Will it give it to me? So looking like it's gonna give it to me. So I can give it a name equal to, what is this product name? We'll just call it a microphone. Microphone. And the category. Category is equal to electronics. And the cost of this microphone is equal to 99.99. And I'm crossing my fingers. No errors. So now what I want to try is, let's see if I can pull up this data. Oh, you have to save this though. P1.save. Yeah, we got an issue there. So it says, oh, awesome. All it's saying is that we didn't migrate this. So if I try to start this, it'll say that I have those migration. I thought it was. That's because I didn't make migrations. So I need to make my migrations. So I'll do Python make migrations. And it can't open blah blah blah. Where am I at? Oh, Python manage.py make migrations. And here we go. So we now got that product app. And if we try to run this, it's going to say we have this one unapplied migration. So what I want to do is go ahead to make that migration. So we'll do Python manage.py migrate. And so now we just applied that migration. If you look over here, we'll see that we got this migration. It's pretty much just giving us the database model that it's creating. And so it has that. And now I should be able to save that because it's actually a database table and it has somewhere to save it. So cross my fingers. I don't know what's holding on. What the heck is it doing? I think it broke something. There might be an issue somewhere. Oh, I didn't save it, I guess. There we go. Okay, so no issue there, so it looked like it's saved. So now what I can do, I think, I can try to open up a database. I forgot what I named it. My store, maybe? PSQL. Is it my store? Yeah, so then we can just do /dt. And we can see all our relations. Keep going. Product, that product is in there, so we're looking good right now. So we'll go ahead and click that. And we want to select. Let's clear the screen. Select star from, what was the name of that DB? I think it's called the product name, so it'd be product. I need the name of the app, so I'll do /dt, products app, product. So we'll do select star from products. I wish I had autocomplete, product app, product. Oh, and then we also need to close with semicolon, and we have an error. Set table, what's wrong? Select all from products app underscore product. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Product. Did I do it again? Select all from product app. Product. I'll try this. Okay. Select all from, and take this and copy it. Copy. Paste. And in that. And it's still an issue. It says it does not exist. But I thought I was just looking at products app. Product. It's definitely a table. Select all from off. User. Can I do that? That works. Okay, let's see if I need to... Oh, I don't have the server. Does it have anything to do with the server running? I don't think so. No server? It shouldn't have anything to do with that server running. That's saved. /dt, all the tables. Select all from products app underscore product. Relation process does not exist. How does it not exist? Yeah, I'm looking at it. Oh, one. This needs to... Oh, yeah. That's the same. Okay, that is weird. I feel like it has something to do with how I... Yeah, that's what it was. It's that capital letter messing me up in databases. Okay, we shouldn't do that. So what I did was just put the quotations around it, and it took it as that whole word. Because I saw it said product app when I have product app with capital letters, so I gotta fix that. But we see that this item is now in my database, and I am over time right now. But I will quickly put in one more item into this database, so we can do P2 is equal to, what is this, product, and its name is going to equal, what do you want, what do we want as a product? Do we have any examples? I don't know what to put. Watch. Okay, we'll put a watch. Apple Watch. We'll just put watch. And what else was that? It's products, category. What is category? Electronics? Okay. Category is equal to electronics. And the cost, I don't know how much a watch is, so say $64. $64.99. And that needs to go in the cost. It's equal to, and we'll close that up. That's P2. We'll do P2.save. And so P2 is product, we do, I think it's P2.values. P2.value. Thought it was. Anyway. Let's go back to our database over here, PSQL, and we can do the same thing. And now we have our watch in our database. And one thing I was thinking of, maybe, should I do another table for categories? I don't think that's necessary. Yeah, I won't do that. We don't need a separate table, join table for categories, I don't believe. So that is it for this backlog item. So we did everything here, created this model name, products, blah, blah, and put it in there. And I'm just going to close this issue because we are good to go. It is done. I guess you don't have to close the issue, just move it to done. Or should I just close the issue too? Okay, so that's looking good. We're done. And next I'm going to work on the model. I don't think I'm going to record that because it's the same thing as this. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to record any of these next steps. I'm just going to go ahead and just create the shopping cart because it's the same thing as what I just did for this product. And I'll enter some fake data, and I already showed myself doing fake data, so I'm not going to do another video for that one. The next video would probably be doing the pages.